Let's learn Arabic letters. First one is fa. Fa sound f. Next qaaf. Qaaf sound q. Let's write first fa. Fa. Write like this and put one dot here. Letter is fa. Fa sound f. Like F sound. English letter F sound. Fa sound f. Next one is qaaf. Same like fa, little comes down and put two dots. Letter is qaaf. Qaaf. Qaaf sound k. Like Q sound. English letter Q sound. Qaaf sound k. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.